The line between biology and technology has just been erased. In March 2025, Australian biotech company Cortical Labs shattered computing boundaries with the CL1, the world's first computer powered by living human brain cells, creating an entirely new form of intelligence called synthetic biological intelligence, or SBI. The CL1 represents the dawn of a new computing era, one that bridges the gap between silicon and biology. The CL1 isn't just a new product, it's the beginning of an entirely new computing paradigm that will transform how we approach everything from medicine to artificial intelligence. Cortical Labs' journey began nearly 6 years ago, making international headlines in 2022 with their prototype called DishBrain. This early system used 800,000 human and mouse neurons on a chip and was trained to play the video game Pong. Since then, the company has made remarkable strides, evolving from that proof of concept to today's commercially viable CL1 system. At its core, the CL1 features a silicon chip with lab-grown human neurons cultivated on its surface. These neurons aren't just passive elements. They actively respond to electrical signals and form networks that process information much like a biological brain. The CL1 contains 59 electrodes on a flat, organized grid of electrodes made of metal and glass. This arrangement creates a stable network, allowing for two-way communication. The system can both stimulate neurons and record their responses with precision. To keep these living cells healthy, each unit includes a complete life support system that regulates temperature, filtration, gas circulation, and mixing. Under a microscope, you can actually see these neural networks forming branches from electrode to electrode, creating an ever-evolving organic computer. What makes this fundamentally different from traditional AI is how it learns. Unlike conventional machine learning that requires massive data sets and extensive computational resources to identify patterns, these biological networks have an innate drive toward efficiency. The neurons naturally seek out connections that produce predictable outcomes and actively reorganize themselves to find the most energy-efficient pathways. When the network receives predictable electrical feedback, it's effectively rewarded and strengthens those pathways, while avoiding behaviors that produce chaotic signals. This biological approach to learning means the CL1 can adapt to new information with remarkable speed and flexibility, without the need for the enormous training data sets required by conventional AI systems. One of the most remarkable features of the CL1 is its energy efficiency. An entire rack of CL1 units uses no more than 1,000 watts of power. For comparison, that's significantly less energy than what's required to train large language models like ChatGPT, which uses 40 million kilowatts, or enough electricity to power 7.2 million homes. CL1 is a game changer in consuming vastly less energy. According to Cortical Labs, these human cell neural networks learn so quickly and flexibly that they completely outpace silicon-based AI chips. The potential applications are vast. In the medical field, the CL1 could revolutionize drug discovery and disease modeling, particularly for neurological conditions like epilepsy and Alzheimer's. Traditional drug testing for brain-related illnesses has high failure rates in clinical trials due to the brain's complexity. But the CL1 offers a more flexible testing environment. Imagine a pharmaceutical researcher testing a new Alzheimer's treatment directly on neural networks that respond like human brain tissue, potentially identifying effective treatments years faster than conventional methods while reducing the need for ethically questionable animal testing.